Hi, hello, and welcome to MathLink. I'm Nitya, and in this lesson, we will talk about the order of a matrix and also about the address of elements within a matrix. So let's do a couple of practice problems together. We have a matrix here. We have matrix X, Y, Z, P, Q, Z. The first question is, what is the order of this matrix? First of all, the order of a matrix. Order of a matrix is M by N, where M is the number of rows. M is the number of rows of this matrix and N is the number of columns of this matrix. So the order of this matrix is M by N, where M is the number of rows of this matrix and N is the number of columns of this matrix. And say this multiplication symbol, this is just a representation and we usually read it as M by N. So we have to find the number of rows here. In this matrix, we have just 2 rows here, 1, 2. Okay, so M here is 2 by. How many columns are here? We have 3 columns here, 1, 2, 3. So 2 by 3. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Second question is, find ordered pair 2/1 and ordered pair 1/3 elements of this matrix. So we have to find the elements which comes under the second row, first column. Okay, that is the first thing we need to find. Second row, first column, the element which comes under second row, first column. This is the second row, first column. This is the first column. Okay. So the element which comes under second row, first column is P, the intersection of second row, first column. So the first question's answer is P here. And next question is the element which comes under ordered pair 1, 2. Okay. So that is the element which comes under first row, second column. So this is the first row. So this is the first row and second column. Okay, so the element which comes under first row, second column, that is Y. So the element which comes under second row, first column, that is P, and the element which comes under first row, second column, that is Y. Our next question is, find the order of a matrix. Matrix 5, 8, 7, 2, 5, 9, 2, 3, 1, 0, 7, 2, 0, negative 6, and 4. So we have to find the order of a matrix. As we all know, the order of a matrix is M by N, where M is the number of rows and N is the number of columns of this matrix. So in this matrix, how many rows are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are here. So M is 3. And how many columns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns. So number of columns, N is 5. So the order of a matrix is 3 by 5. See, I told you this multiplication symbol. This is just a representation here. So no need to multiply this 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 is the final answer. Question number 3. What are the possible orders of a matrix can have if it has 13 elements? So here we have to find all the possible ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 13. And since 13 is a prime number, we don't have any other possibility other than 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. So when we express these two pairs in ordered pair notation, we can have ordered pair 1, 13 and 13, 1. And in these ordered pairs, the first element represents the number of rows and second one represents the number of columns. So when you multiply the number of rows by number of columns, you will get the total number of elements of this matrix. And here it is 13. So here we have two possibilities, that those are 1, 13, 13, 1. What are the possible orders of a matrix can have if it has 24 elements? So here we have to find all the possible ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product comes as 24. So those are 24 into 1, 1 into 24, and 1 into 12. Sorry, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, and 8 into 3, 4 into 6, and 6 into 4. These digits gives the product as 24. So when we express these pairs in ordered pairs, we will get like this. Ordered pair 24, 1. 1, 24, 2, 12, 12, 2, 3, 8, 8, 3, 6, 4, and 4, 6. See, in all these ordered pairs, the first element represents the number of rows and second element represents the number of columns. So when you multiply number of rows by number of columns, we will get the total number of elements of this matrix, that is 24 here in each of these cases. So here we have 8 possibilities. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have find this video as informative, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can share your views, your suggestions, and also post your comments using the comment section given below. Once again, thank you so much.